Olymtech Technology Development Company Limited is a professional screw air compressor factory located in Guangzhou, China. We focus on research and development, production, sales, and service of screw air compressor and after-treatment equipment more than 20 years. Our mainly products include standard screw air compressor, energy-saving screw air compressor, two-stage screw air compressor, low-pressure screw air compressor, oil-free screw air compressor, and so on. We always think that quality is the compressor key point, so we take seriously in each production step. QC will check the income parts before we use them. Each production process is carried out strictly according to the ISO 9001 standard, and every compressor will be tested at least 2 hours before delivery. For new products should pass the flow rate, noise, vibration, and durability tests. Everything we do is want to guarantee the product quality and offer the stable compressor system to our clients. Now, our Olymtech products already got the ISO, CE, ASME, TUV, GCCA certificate, and compressor system were exported to more than 40 countries around the world. To support our distributors, we have a strong sales, after-sales, and engineering team to give them backup. We also offer OEM, ODM service. Warmly welcome more and more friends to join us. Let's work together to succeed.